What's up, gang? Today on Parts and Restoration, we're moving my shop. Let's do it. If you've been following along long enough, you remember this is my old shop. Been out of this space for over a year now, and I have yet to get everything moved. So today we're going to be moving a bunch of lathe parts. We're going to be moving a bandsaw, a drill press, as well as my air compressor, which absolutely needs to go because I'm building a 58 Dodge Power Wagon, rebuilding I should say, from the ground up, and I need a sandblaster, I need air tools, and this girl is the one for me. Every lathe part. Okay, first load is in. Got a bunch of things going. Let's go off to the new shop.
On the river rock and the brawler doing hot dog balls on the river rock.
A few points to ponder about moving a shop or moving heavy things in general. One, if you're not 100% confident you can do it by yourself or you're strong enough to do it by yourself, you're going to face the possibility of severe injury. Call some of your friends or use some tools. One of the great tools for moving things are furniture dollies or hand trucks like you saw me using before. Additionally, a great tool to get a good grasp on a bulky or odd object is going to be rated lifting straps with handles on the end. They're excellent for moving large things around. Otherwise, just use your back like I'm doing now.
Pulley bell saw. Planer. Fuck. Alright, load number 2. This one was especially sucky. Fortunately, I had a couple friends to help me with the tank, but everything else I did solo. Let's go put them in the shop. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed that video. Check out a couple of my other videos here and there. Check me out on Instagram at Parts and Restoration. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.